Hello, Meta.
Hi, Mary.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. And you?
I'm good too. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
What coffee do you like?
I like cappuccino. What about you?
I like Americano. Do you like juice?
Yes, I do. I like apple juice. And you?
I do too. I like orange juice.
I have to go now. Goodbye, Mary.
Goodbye, Mita. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Hello, Mary.
Hi, Tino.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat porridge and fried fish. Sometimes, I eat pork rice.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat everything my mom makes.
Thank Mary.